Who do you think looks more polished and chic? This lady or this one? Have you already spotted 5 things that are different about these outfits? No, it's not the clothes. Clothes is actually exactly the same. As they say, the devil is always in the details, and I'm talking about accessories. They are the game changers when it comes to achieving this expensive, sophisticated look. So what are the 5 secret details and how to inject them to transform your outfit from ordinary to impeccably stylish and chic, even with the most budget-friendly clothes? I'm going to show you 5 very simple, minimalist yet chic outfits, recreated with the clothes from high street brands only, worn without accessories and accessorized, and you will see how your impression will completely change depending on my styling. So let's dive right in. And by the way, I'm also going to share my secrets of makeup and hairstyling, so make sure you watch this video till the end. The number 1 game-changing styling detail for me is the belt. I actually think that belts are a bit underrated because their role is incredible. They're cinching not only your waist and the overall silhouette, but your entire outfit, elevating it, making it incredibly elegant and put together. Just check for yourself. So for my first example, I went for black maxi skirt with a front split from Zara, paired with black tank top and tailored blazer. It looks okay, safe and boring, and to be quite honest, quite unflattering in terms of the silhouette. We have 2 long items, which create 2 equal proportions, 1/2 to 1/2, meaning long body, short legs, quite long rectangular figure. Who wants that as a body shape? To fix the situation and enhance the outfit, I added this statement timeless belt, roomy tote and sunglasses. Adding socks as a playful detail to give this rather conservative outfit more edgy vibe, and creme de la creme, gorgeous golden pearl necklace and earrings from today's sponsor, jewelry brand HELAS, which I'm going to tell you all about in a moment. And ta-da! Much better, right? As you can see, the belt has instantly changed the proportions on this outfit to uneven, accentuated my waistline, created feminine silhouette, and elevated my pretty basic outfit, transforming it into way more elevated and chic, even though all the clothes are actually under €100. And if you're in the mood for something more spicy, picture this. Stir-up leggings paired with the same blazer and top, rolled up the sleeves and secure them with rubber bands to channel a feminine 80s inspired silhouette. Of course, cinch the blazer with the same statement belt, and to inject some print and intrigue into this 2-tone color palette, I opted for a statement zebra clutch and naturally a pair of sunglasses to tie the look together. I understand it's bold and perhaps a touch of controversial, not for everyone's taste, but I personally love it. And this, I believe, is the beauty of basic items. You can endlessly experiment crafting styles and moods that resonate with your unique taste and personality. Oh, and before I forgot, just take a moment to appreciate this exquisite jewelry set, which adds this final flourish to the outfit, infusing it with a superwoman vibe. Paired with yellow chain herringbone necklace, layered elegantly with a custom letter mother of pearl necklace. Utterly chic and sophisticated. I simply adore it. Okay, let me explain here. Consider belt as a long-term investment. It's really one of the most durable items in your wardrobe. You don't need to update them every season. You don't need many of them. Just invest in 2 high-quality statement belts, one in beige or light brown for light shade outfits, and one in deeper tones such as chocolate brown or black for deeper color palette. And trust me, it's going to be one of the most long-term investments in your wardrobe. And talking about looking chic on a budget, of course, the biggest and probably one of the most important parts of it is nailing this perfect fits and silhouettes. And guess what? For those who are new to my channel, I have a little surprise. I have developed a styling portfolio tailored for your figure shape and height, packed with practical tips and tricks, which you can get absolutely for free by going to the link under this video, answering just a few questions about your height and figure shape, and ta-da, you'll get the guide directly to your mailbox. It's an in-depth illustrated guide with very easy and straightforward camouflage techniques, also the key winning silhouettes per category, tops, bottoms, outerwear, and I have also thrown some outfit formulas for different occasions, again tailored to your height and figure. I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun with it, going shopping or decluttering your existing wardrobe. So don't forget to check out the guide after watching this video and start using it to looking chic and put together on a budget. And another question for you. What is the detail you can't possibly imagine Chanel's signature style without? Any ideas? Of course, I'm talking about costume jewelry, and this is my point exactly. Jewelry is the key to looking chic and polished even in the most simple minimalist clothes, such as a little black dress or even a men's attire. And even now, 100 years later, statement pearl necklace still remains the definition of sophistication, elegance, and this effortless chic, especially if we're talking about quite luxury style.
Oh, I absolutely love the combination of mango beige satin relaxed trousers with a tailored matching waistcoat from Goelia. It's such a chic and sophisticated look, especially paired with those contrasting black fishnet ballet flats. Throwing on the blazer over the shoulders adds a touch of effortless elegance, but I understand if you're feeling like it's missing something. Enter our style hero, the gorgeous yellow gold melody set from HELAS. Those tassel pearl earrings paired with the matching gold asymmetric balance beam necklace layered with a herringbone necklace are absolute game changers. Can you see how they instantly elevate this outfit? It's like the missing piece of a puzzle, adding that polished and classy touch that ties everything together perfectly. And that's the magic of jewelry, isn't it?
And if you're with me for quite some time, you probably noticed that pearl jewelry is an integral part of my signature style. And therefore, I'm incredibly delighted to introduce you the sponsor of today's video, Australian jewelry brand HELAS, which offers absolutely exquisite saltwater pearls jewelry inspired by soft and powerful nature of a woman.
When I first laid eyes on HELAS creations, it was truly love at first sight. They just execute elegance, chic sophistication, and a timeless, unique style that resonates deeply with me. Their pieces are crafted with such exquisite quality. HELAS spares no expense, utilizing only the finest materials such as 18-karat gold, diamonds, and aqueous saltwater pearls. Now let me tell you about these pearls. They are truly in a league of their own. And for those who know the difference, saltwater pearls are far rarer and of higher quality than freshwater pearls. They're larger, rounder, and shinier, with a distinctive natural luster that sets them apart. But it's not just about the materials, it is also about the design, and what I really love about all the necklaces is their versatility. They can be adjusted to be worn as a necklace or as a choker, allowing you to tailor your look for various occasions and styles. It's that attention to detail and versatility that truly sets HELAS apart.
And as usual, I'm leaving all the information about all the gorgeous styles I'm wearing in this video, as well as a promo code for a special exclusive discount in the info box. So definitely have a look after watching this video. Okay, moving on to the next one. What is the next secret tool to look impeccably stylish and chic, even if you're wearing clothes on a budget? Any ideas here? I know it's the shoes. They should be high quality and therefore they should be definitely expensive. Well, not necessarily shoes. Have a look here. I bought a pair of these at 39 euro, but to me they look like 500 euro shoes. What really needs to come in high quality and mostly probably suggest a bigger investment is the bag. Bag is the crown of your outfit, which gives this instant upgrade even if you're wearing the most modest, casual and relaxed clothes.
For my next outfit, I decided to go for a pair of wide-leg denim pants from Goelia, paired with a classic tank top and a waistcoat from Zara. I completed the look with slick mango sling bags, and now here's where the details really matter. Adding a cheap canvas tote could easily ruin the vibe I'm going for. Now let's avoid it, shall we? Instead, I reached for my trusty Bordeaux box bag, which works like magic to elevate any outfit, including this one. To add a hint of sophistication, I throw on my husband's black satin tie, belt, as you know, it does make a difference, and layered on a faux leather jacket from Goelia. With the addition of sunglasses, voila! Now I feel effortlessly classy. And if you're tired of pants and want to switch for something more feminine for warmer season, you can easily swap denim pants for a denim maxi skirt. I think it looks as cool yet more sophisticated and feminine. Do you agree? Oh, but I have to share with you another fantastic jewelry set from HELAS Waves collection. Imagine sparkling golden knots adorned with aqua saltwater pearls, complemented by a matching necklace that seems to dance with the wind and the waves. It's really breathtaking. Now about the bags. Listen, you don't necessarily need to splurge on a designer piece, but you do need to pay attention to the details, volumes and execution. In fact, I dedicated the entire video to this topic, and if you haven't seen it yet, it's a must-watch before making any bag purchases.
And a gentle reminder, if you're enjoying watching this video, please don't forget to hit the button and subscribe. There is a new video every single week. And also please follow me on Instagram, where I'm sharing not only my professional styling tips and tricks and outfit ideas daily, but also my experience as a professional stylist, as an entrepreneur, and as a woman. Yeah, so let's stay in touch every day. Our next style game changer is not only stylish, but also incredibly functional, especially moving on to the summer season. And of course, I'm talking about sunglasses. Have you ever noticed that none of the celebrities or influencers step out of their house without wearing sunglasses? And there is a reason for it. Somehow, sunglasses give this instant style upgrade to any of your outfits if you only pick the right pair.
Let me walk you through a little style experiment I allowed myself here. I started with a classic casual formula, white wide-leg jeans and striped sweater from Venetta stores, paired with a navy blue bomber jacket from Zara and Adidas Samba trainers. To add some flair, I accessorize it with statement belt and a bag. However, even with these additions, my look was still missing something crucial, such as a pair of sunglasses. Unfortunately, the sunglasses I initially chose were a miss. The frame felt outdated, the color looked a bit cheap, ultimately preventing me from achieving this classy look I was aiming for. Fear not, here's where the magic of good sunglasses come into play. By simply swapping out those light-toned plastic frames for a pair of navy blue frameless glass ones, I instantly elevated my outfit. The new sunglasses added a touch of polish and cohesion, turning my ensemble from lackluster to a chic in an instant. And let's not forget the finishing touch, a pair of timeless classy white gold Semibreve earrings from HELAS Melody collection. They elevated and completed my look effortlessly. Now, do you see the difference? And it's absolutely amazing what a simple change in accessories can do to transform an outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. With that clean, baby.
And last not least, and I'm sure you're gonna love it, because these two style game changers will make your look instantly complete and put together without any investment whatsoever. And I'm talking about hair and makeup. Don't you worry, no professional extra skills are required, because with my styling tips, you can do this upgrade at home by yourself in a matter of seconds.
Let's talk about elevating a simple yet chic outfit. Starting with a satin slip skirt paired with a chunky knit sweater in total white, which is already a winning combination, isn't it? I decided to add a touch of contrast and casualness with some net ballet flats, but even with this stylish ensemble, there is something missing. It's not quite polished enough, and that's where hairstyling and makeup come into play. First, let's discuss makeup. While many ladies prefer a natural look or no makeup at all, which is totally fine, there are 3 quick and easy details that can make a huge difference. First, removing any shine from your skin using a special cosmetic napkin or compact powder. Next, adding a touch of lip gloss. Personally, I like to pair mine with a beige liner, almost invisible, just to shape the contours of my lips. However, when I'm in a hurry, I can easily skip the liner and opt for my favorite lip refractor from Clarins in a beautiful natural lip color. I can make it minimal for a natural look or build it up for a more chic evening vibe. And finally, using just 2 dabs for my cheeks as a fresh natural blush. And voila, it's so simple, yet it makes such a difference. When it comes to achieving a sleek and polished hairstyle, the key is healthy, silky hair. And even if your hair tends to be frizzy and stiff like mine, there is a product that can work wonders. I'm talking about Silk Infusion from Chi. I'll make sure to link it in the info box for you. All it takes is a pea-sized amount in your hands, rubbed together, then applied randomly throughout the length of your hair. You can keep it a bit messy by combing your fingers through in different directions, or opt for a more sleek look by brushing your hair to the sides, and no extra tools or styling needed. Now, if you're aiming for an evening sleek hair look, I have a little secret. I borrow a product from my husband's grooming stash. It's a hair gel from Laurent. After slightly wetting my hair, I generously apply the gel and then use an old-fashioned comb to slick my hair back. It's a classic look that never fails to impress, and I love how it instantly elevates any outfit. Of course, no look of mine would be completed without statement accessories, especially from the classy HELAS Melody collection. I adore the same earrings paired with the matching balance beam pearl necklace. What's fantastic about this necklace is its versatility, as I already mentioned before. It can just easily be adjusted from a longer style to a shorter choker simply by pulling the chain. Either way, it looks absolutely gorgeous and blends beautifully into this total white textured outfit. To add a touch of contrast and sophistication, I'm accessorizing with a black Asymmetric bag and stylish sunglasses. And now I have 2 options to complete my look here, one with glass and one with cling bags. This way I can show you how to dress this outfit up or down depending on the occasion. It's all about versatility and making the look work for you, no matter where you're headed.
Voila, that was it for today. I really hope this video was inspiring and useful for you. Let me know in the comments what do you think about my styling tips, and I'll see you next week. Bye!